All right, we got to look at the forecast this morning. It is chilly for this Monday, huh?
Yeah, it's cold, near 40 degrees. I'm loving this sky right now. Some alto cumulus clouds out there, and to my eye, super hard to predict something like this, but when we have this, slightly higher than normal cloud deck in place, a lot of times as the sun comes up, you get these magnificent sunrises. So we'll keep an eye on that. If you're out walking the dog or something early this morning, maybe look out to the east and you might see a nice sunrise given this cloud deck. I'm not saying that's going to happen for sure, but when I see stuff like this, my eye tells me that, it's possible that we get a really nice sunrise. 40 degrees right now with a southeast wind at 7 miles per hour. Very clear for a lot of the area. Most of those alto cumulus clouds are near the coast and offshore. We're going to have sun-filled skies today. Temperatures with the clear air are also very chilly inland, mid-30s. Then you get into the low 40s closer to the coast and mid to low 50s on the immediate coastal locations. Winds are out of the southeast. That's going to be with us all day. They're going to be picking up as the day goes on under these mainly sunny skies thanks to an approaching disturbance. It's working through Northern California and Nevada this morning. As this gets closer, our winds will continue to pick up. So look for a gradual increase in winds not only today, but tomorrow too. We're looking at a windy Tuesday with temperatures in the mid-70s prior to the first of 3 cold fronts here. This one comes in Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. There will be some rain, maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch on average. Not a crazy amount, but enough for sure to get things damp into Wednesday morning. Mid-50s here in the wake of that front Wednesday afternoon. Back to the 60s Thursday. Here comes front number 2. Drops temperatures, it looks like Friday, and again into the middle 50s. So we're going to bounce back and forth from 50s to 60s on forecast highs starting Wednesday, and that's going to last through the weekend because we've got another front that'll come through. This one a dry passage here on Saturday for the second half of the day. So why all the fronts has to do with the upper atmosphere winds. We have a big trough set up in the eastern half of the country, and these systems are going to ride down the jet stream, and as they do so, every few days we're going to get a cold front here. So that's going to be the pattern at least for the next 6 to 10 days. Super duper cold, technical word for 6 degrees below zero in Detroit. Very, very cold in the Midwestern states this morning early on. You see how our temperatures go up and down thanks to the 3 fronts. There's the trade-off between the mid-50s and mid-60s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it'll be up and down a bit each day, different than the last. No consistency in our weather here for this week at least. Temperatures will start near 40 this morning, mainly sunny, breezy, and mid to upper 60s this afternoon. The winds will stay with us tonight. That keeps temperatures in the low 60s. And then tomorrow, the warmest day of the work week, we top out in the 70s with windy southeasterly winds tomorrow. That'll be stronger than today, and today's going to be breezy, 15 to 25 miles per hour. We're going to push 70 this afternoon. With those winds with us, temperatures will hold in the low 60s tonight. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. 70s tomorrow with more cloud coverage. The front comes in Tuesday night. There will be some showers as we work into Wednesday morning. Probably will be a damp commute to work. 56 Wednesday with clearing skies in the afternoon. 30s Thursday morning with mid-60s and sunshine in the afternoon. And there you see another 2 fronts back into the 50s for Friday, back into the 60s on Saturday. That last front looks like the weakest of the 3. Looks like we'll be in the 60s both weekend days. Pretty close to seasonal normal there, Kristen.